Yes, traders, you're highly welcome in my channel, and it's me at Forex. You are really highly welcome, and I'm happy to have you here. For today's content, I will share with you more about people who participate in the market. You may be on the other side of the screen and you are wondering, why is the market moving and who are the people controlling this market? Have you ever thought of that before? If you have ever thought of that before, and then today you get the right answer. I believe that some of you already know, but some of you may not know. Yeah, but I request that you may stick to the end of this video to get clear information. Let us jump in and then we see. Or we can generally just say the main market players, and one of them is central banks and the government. What do I mean here? US Federal Reserve and also the European Central Banks and Bank of Japan. These are the major banks that moves the market. As you can also see, some pairs have also the names of these countries in them, like the US pairs and then Euro pairs or GBP pairs, and then also across with Japanese yen. Those are the major banks that really plays the major role in the market. Actually, these banks, they control money supply, set the interest rate, and sometimes they intervene directly in the market as well. The actions of these banks in the markets moves the market the most. Other players in the market, we have commercial banks and investment banks. Here we have big banks like JP Morgan. I believe that you have ever heard of this bank called JP Morgan. This bank falls under commercial banks and investment banks. We have Deutsche Bank. This is in Germany. Citi and SHBC. These are also the major players in the market, and they move also the market seriously by providing liquidity. The majority of forex trader, they flow through these banks. These banks, they trade currencies for profits and they help clients with currency needs. Hedge fund and investment managers are also one of the major players in forex market. They manage huge amount of money and trade to maximize returns. A hedge fund can speculate aggressively to move the market. Remember to subscribe, share the link of this channel on WhatsApp status of your friends so that they can also learn with us and know more about forex trading. We also have corporations and multinational companies. Big firms like Apple, Toyota, or Shell, with also some other companies, trade forex to pay for imports and exports, salaries, or oversee investment. They don't only make sales and services as we normally think of, they also trade. Those are just some few examples that we have here, but many companies, they trade as well. They don't speculate much, they only hedge to protect profits. However, they still also move the market because they use huge capital to trade. Also, we have forex brokers. Forex broker, these are the middlemen that collects traders together, like you and me, to the large forex market. They make money from spreads, commissions, or sometimes manipulating the price. These are mainly done by bad brokers, but good brokers, they don't do that. Let me hope that you are getting me. And then the last one, we have retail traders. These are individuals using trading platform. Retail traders are actually small compared to the banks and institutions. Retail traders, these are individuals like you and me, but they are million worldwide. We are million worldwide. If you're in your room, you are a retail trader and you are not alone in this world. You are many. When these retail traders are trading, their volume adds up in the market. Remember, we all go to trade in the same session. If it is 10 a.m. Ugandan time. All the traders in different part of the world are also in the market in that moment according to their time zone on that particular session. So the volume becomes so big, and this leads to the movement of the price. Yes, traders, remember to subscribe, like, and share, yeah, so that we can learn together. You share the channel link. Please let us go to 200 subscribers. Yeah, I'm really happy to have you in my channel, and I will see you in the next video.